Welcome back to Good Morning Boss. Ngayon mga boss, alamin naman natin itong hospice and palliative care in the Philippines. Dito lamang yan sa ETC.
Di natin maikakaila na lahat ng tao sa mundo ay mamamayapa. Iba't iba man ang dahilan, nais pa rin natin na tunay ngang sa mapayapang paraan ito mangyayari. Kung kaya't kamakailan, isinagawa ang National Hospice and Palliative Summit sa pangunguna ng Philippine Cancer Society at pakikiisa ng World Health Organization at Department of Health.
It's taking care of people in the end stages of disease, which either very little or no more hope of cure. So usually you need a lot of support during that time.
And this summit today is about ensuring that the Philippines is able to provide those kinds of services to everybody, whether they're rich or whether they're poor. Because end of life and dying is part of life's journey that all of us will be faced with at some point in time. And making that journey as comfortable as possible is really important for the individual, but it's so important also for their family and for all of us as a community who want to care and to be able to ensure that life's journey is as pleasant and as peaceful as possible.
Sa kasalukuyan, mayroon pa lamang humigit kumulang 40 hospice and palliative care foundations at organizations sa bansa. Inaasahan na mas magiging abot kaya ng masa ang serbisyong ito at inaasahan din ang pakikiisa at pagsuporta ng PhilHealth.
Well, WHO sees that palliative care and the medicines, the opiates, the other medicines that are needed to ensure that people don't have pain, we see them as essential medicines and as an essential part of any medical service. So WHO is here to help support the government with all of the initiatives and all the good work that's going on here in the Philippines to make sure that people who are facing the end of their life do so in a dignified and pain-free manner.
We hope the expenses of palliative care and hospice can be covered by PhilHealth. That's one thing we're hoping for. And of course, for more people to be interested in it. And one of the things is the development of expertise, both on the medical side and on the paramedical side.
Sa pamamagitan nito ay hindi lamang ang mga pasyente ang magkakaroon ng dekalidad at masayang buhay, kundi pati na rin ang kanyang pamilya na ikauunlad ng lipunan.